The environment around us is full of art and imperfection. Whether you're rendering an existing building or a new design, there is always room to improve the realism of your project. Lumion 12.0 came with the addition of decals that allowed you to transform materials with imperfections and wall stickers. In Lumion 12.3, you can now import custom images as decals and then blend them with the surfaces behind them. You can find the decals objects under the effects category. These built-in decals are extremely easy to use and integrate naturally into your scene. Let's take this living room, for example. Inside a space like this, you often want to achieve a unique personal touch with artistic wallpapers and colors, so let's try to reproduce that effect. In case you missed the tutorial on adding surface decals, click the link below for an in-depth walkthrough. Select the custom decal or any decal object and place it on a surface. Next, all you need to do is replace the textures with the images that you want to appear on the surface. To add your custom image, click the square button right next to the blend color slider, and you will see your image projected onto the imported geometry. Keep in mind that for a decal to look realistic, it must have both the right scale and blend with the surface behind it. However, as wallpaper is simply added over a wall, there is no need to add any other maps since you can easily create that using the plaster material. Looks better already. Keep in mind that high-resolution images take up more memory, so please use them wisely. Choosing the appropriate resolution depends on the final size of your renderings, but we generally recommend keeping them under 2K. Custom decals are a versatile tool that you can employ in countless ways on all of your projects. We hope that this tutorial opens your eyes to what you can achieve with them, and we look forward to seeing the creative ways you use decals to amaze your clients. I'll see you next time.